Today, we're exploring the most innovative woodworking tools designed to boost precision and efficiency. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will save time and enhance your craftsmanship. From measuring to cutting, each one ensures flawless results with ease. Stay until the end to discover a game-changing tool for your workshop. Woodpecker's Corner Jig. Cutting precise corners can be tricky, but not with the Woodpecker's Corner Jig. This tool eliminates the guesswork whether you're using a router table or a handheld router. Its large machined aluminum plate is not only durable, but also provides a stable surface. The square reference blocks ensure perfect alignment, and with 22 templates, including 4 large radius corners and 6 chamfer profiles, you have the flexibility to handle different projects with ease. Once you're done, everything neatly stores on a wall-mountable rack, keeping your workspace organized and accessible. If precision and speed matter to you, this is a must-have. Milwaukee M12 Planer. Next up, if you're looking for a compact yet powerful planer, the Milwaukee M12 brushless 2-inch planer is worth considering. Designed for carpenters and remodelers, it can remove up to 5/64ths of an inch in one pass, operating at 14,500 RPMs for a super smooth finish. Its dual-sided shavings port keeps your workspace clean and efficient, and with 21 depth settings, you can fine-tune each pass for maximum precision. The lockable kickstand ensures safe storage, while the vacuum attachment makes cleanup a breeze. If you need portability, power, and precision, this planer truly delivers. Tapcon Hex and Star Anchors. When it comes to concrete anchors, Tapcon is the name to trust. Their hex and star head anchors are built for reliability and ease of use, offering superior grip and 30% less installation torque than other brands. Thanks to their ClimaSeal coating, they're corrosion resistant, making them ideal for tough environments. The hex head features underhead ribs to prevent spinouts, while the star head eliminates bit slippage for a stable, accurate drive. If you're working with concrete, these anchors will ensure a strong, secure hold every time. Makita 40 Voltmax X GT Circular Saw. For those looking for power and precision, the Makita HS012G 40 Voltmax X GT Circular Saw is an excellent choice. Its high-powered brushless motor allows it to cut through tough materials effortlessly, while its lightweight design ensures comfort and control. This saw features constant speed control, an electric brake for safety, and twin LED lights for working in low-light conditions. Plus, its extreme protection technology, XPT, makes it resistant to dust and wet environments, so you can use it anywhere. For a saw that delivers performance, safety, and precision, the Makita 40 Voltmax X GT is the way to go. Logox Forestry Multi-Tool. Handling logs has never been easier, thanks to the Logox Forestry Multi-Tool. This 3-in-1 tool is designed to reduce back strain by up to 93%, making lifting, rolling, and cutting logs much easier. The 21-inch hauler lets you lift and drag logs effortlessly, while the 40-inch cant hook helps you roll logs smoothly. Built from American steel and backed by a lifetime guarantee, this tool is perfect for anyone who works with wood regularly. Style GTA 26 Pruning Saw. For those who need a lightweight, cordless solution for garden pruning, the Style GTA 26 is a game changer. This battery-powered pruner has a 4-inch guide bar, making it ideal for precision cutting. It features a retractable chain guard for safety, a low-vibration chain, and rubber grips for comfort. The LED battery display ensures you never run out of power unexpectedly. Plus, it comes with a charger, multi-oil, and a transport bag, making it ready to go right out of the box. Axminster UJK Sawhorses. Turning any workspace into a stable workbench is easy with the UJK Sawhorses. Sold in pairs, they can hold up to 1,180 kilograms combined and adjust from 650 millimeters to 825 millimeters. The quick release button allows for fast setup, while their foldable design makes them easy to store and transport. Perfect for timber, sheetwork, and large boards, these sawhorses are built to provide a secure, adjustable, and stable workspace. Jessam Pocket Mill Pro. For woodworkers looking to improve their joinery skills, the Jessam Pocket Mill Pro is a must-have. This tool creates perfect mortise joints using an incremental step-down process for unmatched precision. Made from anodized aluminum and stainless steel, it's built to last. With an adjustable setup, dust collection, and an optional milling workstation, this tool is a game changer for any workshop. Stackma Pallet Max 4500. Speed up pallet production with the Stackma Pallet Max 4500. This intelligent machine eliminates manual hammering and features automatic nail counting, ensuring smooth operation. With easy-to-change templates, switching between pallet sizes is quick and effortless. For any company looking to streamline production, this machine boosts efficiency while maintaining top-notch quality. Grizzly Drum Sander. For precise sanding in a compact size, the Grizzly G0458ZX 18-inch drum sander is the perfect solution. Its variable speed control and 4-inch aluminum sanding drum ensure a smooth, consistent finish. With a mobile base, easy belt replacement, and an open-end design, this sander delivers high-quality results with minimal effort. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips, tool reviews, and project ideas. See you in the next video.